Mrs. Parent from Beardsley Library. This morning we read a great book during story time called The Giant Jumporee. And in this book there were several characters. There was an elephant, a bear, a cat, a rabbit, and a very mischievous little frog who caused a bit of problems. But I'm not going to tell you what the book's about. You need to go look at that video. But I thought it would be fun to make a little frog craft this morning. So we'll need a green piece of construction paper, red piece of construction paper, a scrap of white. You need scissors, a glue stick, and a marker. If you do not know how to use scissors or don't use scissors, ask a grown-up nearby to help you create these pieces, and then you can glue them together. So the first thing we're going to need is an oval. It's kind of like a squished down circle. So you're going to take our green construction paper and start cutting. So we go all the way around, make it a flattened down circle. That's probably what a good description is. So this is going to be our little frog's face. So there we go. We went all the way around. So here's his little face. Now our frog, we would like him to watch us. So he's going to need eyes. So take your white paper, and we're going to fold it in half so we cut out two circles at the same time. So here we go. So we go around to try to make a circle. The other green shape was an oval. This shape is going to be a circle. So here we go. There. So we want to put these circles right at the top of our oval. Kind of like popping out a little bit, because froggy eyes like to pop right out of their tops of their heads. So we're going to put glue all over them, a lot of glue so they stay put, especially when he's hopping around. And so then you're going to place it on there and then pat it down. Remember how we do that? Pat, 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 pat. So then we'll put a glue on the other circle and then pat it down again to help it stick. Pat, 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 pat. So we'll put the glue stick aside because we need to draw the color for his eyes. I'm using black, but you can use whatever color you want. Here is a circle for his eye on the left, a circle for his eye on the right, and then we'll color it in. You can make his eyes the same color as yours. If you want to pick out a blue or green or brown, whatever you want. So here we go, coloring it in. So there, he's got his little eyes all set. Also, we had a very happy frog in this book. So let's give him a big smile. And then we'll put some cheeks on him. And one thing our little frog in the book liked to do was drink tea, apparently. So we need to give him a tongue so he can drink tea, or he can catch flies. So here's our scrap piece of red. So we're going to cut a nice long strip of it. And at the very end, we'll put a little curve to it. Okay? And then you can roll it up. You can use your marker to make it rolled up so it can curl at the end of his mouth. There, just like that. So we'll put some glue again right on the end of our scrap. Put a little more on, just the very end. And then we can line it up with his little mouth. See, like that, and push it down. Pat, pat, pat. And there, look it, we have our mischievous little frog that caused trouble while we were reading that book. So I'll be back again next week. Thank you for joining me for Storytime Craft this week, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Goodbye.